Hey, what's up, guys? We're here for our Upper Deck Ice 17-18 two-box number 6. I'm going to quickly show you guys the teams here on the YouTube channel. And the time in Montreal is 11:45. One second here, and we're going to get going. All right, here we go. Here's our fresh inner case. 17-18. Alright, guys, what I'm going to do is mix them up. Alright, we're going to pull two. These two right here is what we're going to do right now. Just set them on the side. And these two will be number 3. Sorry, number 7. This here will be number 7. These two here will be number 8. This one here will be number 9. And these last two boxes will be number 10. And this again is number 6. Let's crack them open, guys. Let's see what we can get out of here. Ultimate still not out, eh? Releasing in May. What else is in here? Splendor came out. Ultimate. Look at that. Still not out. First pack. We have a Sub-Zero. We'll load up right away. Nathan MacKinnon for Colorado. We have an autograph, Vince Dunn, numbered 91 of 299 for the St. Louis Blues. 91 of 299. Jordan Schmaltz, 156 of 999. Ooh, wow. Rookie Nolan Patrick, Sub-Zero. Oh, variation, V5. Whoa. There you go. That's a nice hit. You have the blues, bro. Flyers, though, is happy. This is a variation, Nolan Patrick. V5. You have them. Got for the Sharks, number 471 of 1299. Nice hit for the Flyers, though, for real. It's a Tim Heed for the Sharks. Last pack. Oh, we got a fatty. It is a Josh Hosang for the Islanders. It will not fit in here. Where are my sleeves? Hold on a second. Josh Hosang, number 240 of 275. Sub-Zero, Devon Dubnyk for Minnesota. Regular Sub-Zero. Oh man, packs. We have an autograph, Nikolai Eller for the Jets. No, one Vince done auto. I'll do a recap at the end. Oh, the other day I pulled you one, yeah. Anton Lindholm, 777 of 999. Anton Lindholm, that one's for Colorado. Oh, 1 of 8, Taylor Hall, New Jersey. Who snagged up New Jersey? Tony. Nice. 1 of 8, Taylor Hall. One of 8. Not bad. Nice gold, 1 of 8. New Jersey. Taylor Hall and Nolan Patrick variation. Not bad. I'll do a quick recap at the end. So we have here for Toronto, 274 of 999 for the Toronto Maple Leafs. I just posted the other 2 boxes. Number 7 is already posted. If you guys are interested in copying some teams there, you're more than welcome. And I also have some chronology posted. We have a Alex DeBrincat. For Chicago. So we have the Alex DeBrincat for Chicago. We have Andreas Borgman. Got the Taylor Hall, number 1 of 8. No Vancouver in this one, unfortunately. Anton Lindholm for Colorado. Nikolai Eller for the Jets. I think this is an update. No, it's not. Devon Dubnyk. Josh Hosang, 240 of 275. Tim Heed, 457 of 1299. And this Nolan Patrick right here, V5. Sucks that it's not numbered, but you do know it is a short print. Should put it right here. Jordan Schmaltz, Jordan Schmaltz, 156 of 999. We have a Vince Dunn, 91 of 299. Nathan McKinnon, Sub-Zero. That is it for that break, guys. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate the support. Go check out my other breaks. There's chronology and I have some ingrained posted as well. Small 2-box for ingrained so we can get it done quick. Thank you guys. You guys have a great night.